Now we want to look at using a calendar table to enable time intelligence functions. For this example, we have two tables in Excel. We have our first table that has date, rep, and sales. And then our second table has a calendar. We have date, year, weekday, weekday name, month, and month name. And what we want to do first is we're going to go to Sheet 1. We're going to select any cell in our table. We're going to go up to Power Pivot and Add to Data Model. Okay, we've already added that, so our table is now there. Then we want to go to our calendar table, click anywhere in there, go to Power Pivot, Add to Data Model, and you can see that it's already there as well. So we now have both of our tables have now been added to Power Pivot. So the first thing that we need to do is we're going to go to our first sheet. We're going to highlight the date column. We're going to go up to Design, Create Relationships. And you'll see in the Create Relationships box, Sheet 1 is already up for the table. Column Date, because we've already highlighted that on that table. For Related Lookup Table, we're going to click on Calendar because that is our other sheet. Related Lookup Column, we have Date. We're going to Create, and you can see that we already have a relationship that exists between these columns. So that has already been done. Next we want to go to our calendar table, and on the Design tab we want to go to Mark as Date Table. Click on Mark as Date Table. And that has been done as well. So the next thing we want to do is we want to work with how these are going to sort, what the custom lists will look like. So let's spread that out so that we can see everything. Alright. So we want to select the calendar table. In weekday name, we're going to select any cell. On the Home tab, you'll see that now under Sort and Filter, we now have the option to sort by column. We're going to sort by column. We're going to sort by weekday name, and we want it to be sorted by the weekday. So we're going to click OK. And then in the month name column, we want to do the same sort of thing. Sort by column. The month name is going to be sorted by month. Click OK. So that's been completed. So we now have taken our calendar table and we have enabled time intelligence functions so that when we move into the next step of creating our pivot table, we'll be able to see that work.